For lesson 9.8, we're still in the same situation here, only now we're going to go back and be finding our surface area. So surface area, our formula is PW plus 2B. So surface area equals PW plus 2B. So for my first surface area, my perimeter was 54 times my W of 3 plus 2 times the 153 that's here. So if I do the first part, the 54 times 3, that's going to give me a surface area of 162 plus the 2 times 153, which will give me a 306. I'm going to add that back to the 162, and I'm getting 468 inches squared. For the next one, I'm going to see if I can zoom in here if this makes it a little bit easier. Surface area is equal to PW plus 2B. So going up here, my perimeter, which we said was actually the circumference, is 12.56 times the W value, which is 8, plus 2 times the B value, which is 12.56. So surface area is going to equal 12.56 times 8, which will give me 100.48, plus 2 times 12.56, which will give me 25.12. And when I add those two together, I get a total of 125.6, and this is going to be inches squared. For my last one, again, because I'm just a regular right prism, I'm doing PW plus 2B. My perimeter on my triangle here was 40, so I'm doing 40 times my W of 5 plus 2 times my B, and that B is a 60 for this one. So 40 times 5 is going to give me 200. The 2 times 60 is going to give me 120. So that surface area is going to give me 320 square yards. On the next page, page 12, we're going to follow the same thing. Here's our right prisms that we have. Remember, we use these formulas for any sort of right prism as long as we're not rectangular. If you're rectangular, these formulas will actually work for you. However, you're kind of doing a little bit of extra work here. So PW plus 2B on this first one, my perimeter is 49. So I have 49 times 5 plus 2 times the area of my base, and the area of my base on this one is 126. So if I do 49 times 5, that'll give me 245. And 2 times 126 will give me 252. Adding those two together, my total surface area is 497 square yards. For the next one, surface area is equal to PW plus 2B. Surface area is equal to, my perimeter is 69.08 times my W value is 19 plus 2 times my B value, which is 379.94. I'm just going to have to write that on the next row here. All right. And calculating these then. So if I have 69.08 times 19, it's going to give me 1,312.52 plus, I'm just going to put this on the next line, 2 times 379.94. That's going to give me 759.88. 1312.52 for a total surface area of 2,072.4 square inches then. Finally, on this last one, PW plus 2B. So surface area, my perimeter is 78, my W is 29, plus 2 times my area of my base was 49 on this hexagon. So for my surface area, 78 times 29 will give me 2,262, and 2 times 49 will give me 98. for a total surface area of 2,360 square centimeters then.